Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you one easy steps of how to create shortcuts. So let's create a new file and you can create to any customs you like. So I'm gonna go for, but usually everyone goes for 1920 to 1080 pixels and 300 as a resolution, and I'm going for this because this has more wider range. So I'll go for this, and now I can see it clearly. Okay. So let's go for this one. So the first shortcut which I'll show you is in the um, so first we'll create an object. So I'll keep it as a square, and you go to this layer and rasterize it, and after rasterizing the layer you go to edit and you can go to fill, and in the fill option you have these options. So foreground color is the color of the inside. So you can, if you click over here, foreground color, well, okay, so I think the foreground color is this. So if you click over here, right, so if you cancel this and show you right now, so this one over here, you can see if you clicked on this, you see foreground color. So that's the foreground color. The first option here is the foreground color, and this is a background color. So I can show you the difference of it. So if you go back to edit and go to fill, foreground color, and press OK, it will make it like this, but then our object was over here. So for selecting that object, you got to do this, the same thing, rasterize layer, then select the object. So you press Control. So when you press the Control and click on this object, you see the square coming over here, right, on this layer. So click over here, it gets selected. So when this gets selected, go to edit, go to fill, and then background color. So now the background color is as it is, a blue only. So you can change it if you want it as. And in this mode is the options like dissolve means it will make the color change. I'm going for multiply, and opacity, if you want it, you can give it as 50. It's changed, right? Some of the colors have changed. See, Control Z, and this was the color before, and Control Shift Z, now this is the color. Okay, so like that you can play with it. Background color, and if you want to make this as a different thing like pattern, so already I have one pattern with me. So I have like these kinds of patterns. So if you want it as in the next video I will show you how to create patterns. So for now I will click on this and press OK. So you see there's a dog image which has come over here. Then after that you press escape, or if escape doesn't work, you go to this rectangle and click anywhere you like, so that selection will go away. So this was the first thing I would like to show you. Second thing is what will we do? So yeah, so I was talking about define pattern, right? So let's make an object here first. Any pattern you can put it as, so you can make like this, fill a pattern, then make a different image, fill any color you like to, So I'm going to fill this, and I'm going to make this as this. So like that you can make any of the patterns you like. So I'm just going to duplicate everything. So this is a pattern I made. So now what you will do is you will take this rectangle tool, and then, or don't just click on rectangle tool, go directly to this layer panel, click on ellipse 15, and how many ellipse you have, whatever your ellipse you have made, you can just drag down, press on shift and select on ellipse 1. So all of the ellipses are selected. Now go on right click and rasterize layers. So to all rasterize it. Then when you click on it, you directly go to edit. See, now you don't see the word fill options, you see define pattern. So click on define pattern. Now you see your all your pictures are selected in it, and now you click and write a name for this ellipse for dress. Okay, so now that pattern is ready. So now what I will do is I will go for this, and if you like to take any pictures like dress or pant or anything, I would like to recommend you this. Go to Freepik website. This is a website for creating AI images, AI videos, or any other videos you like to. Click on it, and you want to create a dress. So you type here t-shirt. See, here you see many t-shirts have come, but you have to click on free, you don't need license. So what you will take it as, and if you don't want as a design thing, you just write here plain t-shirt. So here it is. So you'll take this, go to download, and small medium, click on medium, it will download. And when this is downloaded, you can see it's downloaded. So when this is downloaded, go back to Photoshop and bring that downloaded picture. So this is the picture, drag it to Photoshop, put it here. So it has come, right? So now what you will do is, if you just want this t-shirt, you got to select on this panel. So it will select only the black spot. So when this is selected, you press on delete. So this delete option is not working. Why? What is it saying? Could not use the quick selection because the smart object is not editable. So this option will be shown when you don't rasterize the image. So before you do this, you got to go to that object and rasterize. So now you have understood what this the meaning rasterize layers. Now if you do this, see, now I select this and now I press delete, it's gone. So now you see there are lines on this image. So you select, click, Control X, this is to cut it, and you delete that layer, and then Control V, only this object has come. So now what you will do is you select this thing, go to edit, fill, pattern. So one pattern we have made, ellipse for dress. So click on this, and this is selected. So if you press on script, you see brick, fill, cross, weave, and all random stuff. You can click on anything, it will make it as however it wants. Place along path. Place along path means the path you see over here, it will make it on that. Multiply and all these stuff I have shown you. So I will take it as overlay for now, and opacity I'll make it as 100 itself. And what's it showing now? Let's try it once again. So fill. For now, let's not do this. Let's just do this. See, it works. So now you see you have got a nice pattern on this. You got a very nice pattern. But one problem is that you don't see the outline of the dress. You go to edit, stroke. So this 3 pixels is the width of the dress. So the dress line is the width. So you can take it as 4 or 2. Connect 2 pixels and enter. Okay. PX. Then the color of the dress, what you want it as, you can just take this as this, press OK. Just 1 second, I'll move this, press OK. And you want this location where? Inside, outside, center, where? So outside, right? So you press on outside. Darken color and all that are fine. Then press OK. So now you see, press on this rectangle tool and done. So this is how you create an t-shirt design and a pattern. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.